What is up, guys? It's like 6:30 in the morning. The boys are still asleep, but that doesn't matter because this afternoon is myself and Leroy's car meet down in St Kilda. But before that, we're just gonna go out into the dealers and just check out what's there. Let's go. Okay, so we just got off at Richmond Station and now we're getting the tram to the dealerships. Okay, so we're back at the dealers once again. I don't think they have anything new, but we'll see. So it's the same stock as last time. This is new. That's getting delivered today. That's a white Aventador, black wheels. Yeah, same stock, but yeah. Alright, so we're leaving Lambo now. Sadly, McLaren is closed on weekends, but we're gonna go to Ferrari and we'll just check out some of the cars in there. Okay, so before Ferrari, we're just gonna go into Aston Martin and Rolls Royce, just check up what's upstairs. Okay, so we're coming up. There's a Cullinan over here. We got a Vantage, the new Vantage. Looks so nice. Alright, so this is the new Aston Martin Vantage Coupe. This looks so good. Lighting in here is amazing. Look at that. Okay, so we just left Aston Martin and we're gonna go check what's in Ferrari. Nothing really new. Pista's gone. There's an A12 comp here. That's nice. A12 next to it. Same stuff, F50, F40. Cavalcade. Here's the Pista Piloti, that's nice. These rims on the 296 GDS. Gorgeous. Green on tan, I'm pretty sure. Pro Sangue. Put that in my last video. Bunch of old cars. Ferraris, sorry. Roma 296. Another 296. This A12 comp. I'm not sure what colour this is. Might be green. I don't know what colour that is. I think it might be black. Still looks really, really nice. Very aggressive as well. There's a 488 there. That's nice. A12 undercover. I wonder what colour it is. Pretty much the same stuff up here. Got a Bentayga. 296. Missed that. We're gonna go back to Lambo and wait for that Aventador to get delivered because apparently it's getting delivered today. That's what one of the workers said. A12 pulling up. Just scraped it.
That's the one I saw.
It's beautiful A12, just rocked up to Lambo. SS22 plate. Heritage, of course. Black. Red interior, silver wheels, red calipers. Looks so good. Get some clips of this for you guys. There's a lot of people recording. Wait for him to leave. Oh my god. Just recording the A12 leave and a Revuelto pulls up. Oh my god.
I'm madly in love with that guy, bro.
That is insane. Arturo back there as well. What is happening today? The Revuelto is back. It looks insane. It's just parked out. He was gonna park it up there, but he saw all these people and he just decided to park here. It's crazy. Oh my god. MSO 600 LT. And the Revuelto.
Wow, where'd you get this fine? Like, can I this time. I had 6 grams in that blunt. I didn't think I could get this high.
Looks like the Aventur is getting delivered right now. So we're just gonna wait here and see what happens. It just got revealed. This is insane. The plate is crazy.
Oh, they gotta take it for a spin.
Congrats to this man. Oh my god. 27 plate.
Get it, man.
That's insane. This is insane. Take a look at the interior. Matte white goes insane. So clean. Crazy. It's bad as hell. That is wicked. Oh my god. Take a look at the back. Get some more sound. Holy moly. Sounds incredible. What is going on? So we're at the bus stop and we're gonna go to the main and wait to get picked up so we can go to the car meet. So we're going to Domain Road. There's some new people. That looks like a C8 to me. But yeah, we'll see if there's anything. Doesn't look like there's anything from here, but yeah, we'll have a look anyway. Martin was right. It is a C8, as you can see. Very, very nice. I love it there. It looks so good in that spot. I love red cars. Looks so good. If you know, you know. So we've got an MSO 600 LT, 570S Spider and a C63 all rocking up at the same time. That is insane. Got to open the door. What an insane interior. Okay, so we put up in the AMG to the meet. There's a G-Wagon here. M3, M2. Hopefully there's going to be some more cars coming later. Yeah? M3 comp? Yeah, I know, bro. So, good start. It's not even 4 o'clock yet. The meet hasn't even started. But hopefully later, this will fill up. And I don't know why he's parked like that, but this will hopefully fill up later. And yeah. So these might be all the cars that are pulling up. I know I said it was going to be big, but some said it was too hot. Some said they can't come. Some said that like people rocked up to their house unexpected, but this is much better than the last one. And hopefully the next one could be a lot better. Hopefully we get a lot bigger, and we're going to try and go on a cruise after, just along Beach Road, just to get some rollers in the Merc, and then we'll probably finish at Domain and go our own ways. But yeah, there's a Lambo Hurricane just pulling up, getting some rollers.
You know the love was X-rated, that's how we made it. Drinking help balance the patience, watch how you take it. Can't keep no pictures, it's too dangerous. A bit X-rated, took everything up for the taking, I couldn't save it.
So we're getting rollers of the Hurricane, and there's a GT3 RS MR and a GT3 RS right there. This is insane. So it's raining and the Hurricane's coming back down. He's going home. And we just stumbled across a GT3 RS and a GT3 RS MR. There goes a Hurricane. We're gonna have to wait for the rain to stop, but these are beautiful. I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Try to make it as long as possible, but at the car meet didn't really film much for the YouTube, but gave you guys some great 4K content of these two beautiful machines. See you in the next one.